As you can see now, I'm on the branch 1 router. On the branch 1 router, I'm going to type in the command show run. We're going to take a look at the running config, and as we see by it, the router rip statement has already been entered in. So we're running rip on this router. The next thing is the network statement of 10.0.0.0. So that anything that belongs to this classful network right here will be broadcasted out in its updates. And any interfaces that are associated with that will also have the updates being broadcasted out on it. So let's take a look at that. We're going to do a show IP route. We can see that we have two directly connected networks. And because of that statement, the 10.0.0.0 network statement that was entered in, this network will be sent out in all updates, which is exactly what we want. This network will be sent out in all its routing updates, which is exactly what we want. The serial interface 000 has a router on the other side. Updates are going to be sent out this interface because of that statement, which is exactly what we want. The issue comes in, though, is this interface has a bunch of PCs sitting on the other side of it. It doesn't have a router sitting on the other side of it. There's no routers that are attached on that network. So by sending updates out this interface, it's going to cause a couple issues. First of all, that's a bunch of processing that all those PCs have to do. It's a broadcast, it's sent out on a broadcast address, and so all those PCs are going to have to accept it until they realize it's not meant for them, and then they're going to discard it. The second thing is that's all your routing information that's being sent out on the network. That could be a security risk. And so because of that, we want to make this fast Ethernet a passive interface. So we're going to use the passive interface command. So I'm going to go into my global config, type in my router rip statement, and use the command passive-interface, and then specify the interface that I want to make passive. So in this case, FA00. I'm going to hit enter, and now at this point in time, these will still be broadcasted out within my updates. Serial 000 updates will still be sent out on that interface, but updates will not be sent out on the fast Ethernet interface. And so that's what the passive interface command does for us.